Express, welcome back to my channel. So today's gonna be a really exciting video. Today I'm gonna be doing a lipstick try on. I really love filming these type of videos because a lot of times online you can't really tell what the lipsticks look like, especially if you're like a different complexion, because they set different on like different complexions and different skin tones. So if you're around my skin tone and you want to see how like a lipstick looks and everything, then you guys will be able to see what the liquid lipstick looks like. And all of the lipsticks today are from Colourpop Cosmetics. I really love Colourpop Cosmetics because they're super affordable, but they're also really good, especially if you're in high school or a college student and you don't want to like break the bank. So these are about $6.50 each. So if you guys want to see me swatch these lipsticks, then just keep on watching.
I just want to take you there. He don't gotta know where. Does he touch you here like this? Let me take the friction from your lips, and I'ma love you, girl, the way you need. Ain't no one gon' stop us. Ain't no one gon' stop us. And I'ma give you, girl, what you feel. I'm the drug in your veins. Just fight through the pain. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. I'm what you need. What you need. What you need. I'm what you need. What you need. What you need. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. I'm what you need, what you need, what you need, I'm what you need, what you need, what you need. I got everything you want with me. I do everything he does times 3. And he don't gotta know. I got you on the floor, doing things you never thought you'd do. Baby, leave them high heel shoes, 'cause I love it when you're looking down at me. I'm looking up at you, and I don't give a damn. Shawty, watch me knock your boots off. And I'ma love you, girl, the way you need. Ain't no one gon' stop us. Ain't no us. And I'ma give you, girl, what you feel. I'm the drug in your veins. Just fight through the pain. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. I'm what you need. What you need. I'm what you need, what you need, what you need, He's what you want, he's what you want, he's what you want, he's what you want. I'm what you need, what you need, what you need, I'm what you need, what you need, what you need, Whoa, 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 whoa.
I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. You come around, yeah. You ease my mind, you make everything feel right. Worry about those problems, I'm way too numb, yeah. It's way too dumb, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. I need the Heimlich, throw that to the side, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. When you're not around, when you throw that to the side. I get those goosebumps every time. Goosebumps every time, yeah. 713 to the 281, yeah, I'm riding. Why they on me? Yeah, why they on me? I'm flying, sipping low key. I'm sipping low key in Onyx, rider. When I'm pulling up right beside you, pop star Lil Mariah. When I text a cute game wildness, throw a stack on the Bible. Never Snapchat, it took Molly. She fought through plenty, her and all again. She take it to the top floor and bounce that thing like whoa. You bounce that thing like whoa. This is not a fairy tale, I already.
So that is all the lipsticks that I have for today. I hope you guys really enjoyed this kind of like trying on the lipsticks and showing you guys how they look like on. That way you guys can see what they look like. And yeah, I hope this helped somebody out there, and thank you guys so much for watching this. If you like this video, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.